Engine Meet 2024 stands as one of the most remarkable gatherings for mechanical enthusiasts and collectors from all over the country. The event showcases one of the largest collections of stationary engines ever assembled, featuring more than 450 engines of various sizes, designs, and eras. From massive fixed diesel engines to small gasoline-powered farm units, the exhibition offers a fascinating journey through the evolution of power and engineering craftsmanship. The stationary engines on display represent the heart of early industrialization. These heavy iron machines once powered sawmills, water pumps, grain threshers, and factories. Their rhythmic putt-putt sound and exposed moving parts mesmerize visitors, serving as a reminder of the days when mechanical ingenuity met raw power. Many of these engines have been meticulously restored to full working condition, demonstrating how reliability and simplicity were key to rural and industrial life. In addition to stationary engines, Engine Meet 2024 proudly features a lineup of antique tractor engines. These machines, ranging from early single-cylinder models to multi-cylinder giants, played a vital role in transforming agriculture. Visitors can watch as collectors start these old tractors with hand cranks, releasing deep roars that once echoed across vast farmlands. Each tractor tells a story of innovation, endurance, and the human quest to harness mechanical energy. The event also highlights the evolution of transportation engines, including classic motorcycles and early trucks. Vintage motorcycles, with their elegant frames and polished fuel tanks, represent a time when engineering was as much an art as it was science. Meanwhile, antique trucks remind visitors of the early days of freight transport, when rugged machines carried goods over unpaved roads, powered by simple yet robust engines. What makes Engine Meet 2024 truly special is the community it attracts. Among the crowd are passionate diesel lovers, gasoline engine restorers, eccentric collectors, and skilled model builders who create miniature working replicas of classic engines. The event is not only a display of machinery but also a living tribute to mechanical curiosity, craftsmanship, and the joy of keeping history alive. As the air fills with the sounds and smells of burning fuel, Engine Meet 2024 becomes a sensory experience that connects generations. It celebrates human creativity, the ability to turn metal, fuel, and motion into enduring power. For anyone who admires engines, from the smallest spark ignition model to the mightiest stationary diesel, this gathering is a rare chance to witness the legacy of mechanical genius in motion. The 600 HP gas engine displayed at the Western Minnesota Steam Threshers reunion in Rolog, Minnesota, is one of the largest and most impressive antique engines ever built. Manufactured between 1914 and 1915 by the Snow Holly Works in Schenectady, New York, this massive machine worked continuously for over 50 years, compressing natural gas at the National Fuel Gas Corporation's Roystone station near Titusville, Pennsylvania. The engine measures 65 feet in length and weighs an astonishing 140 tons. Its foundation, reaching up to 10 feet thick, contains 157 cubic yards of reinforced concrete, supported by 8,000 feet of steel bars. Equipped with 4 combustion chambers, each with a bore and stroke of 24 by 48 inches, it boasts a total displacement of 388 cubic inches, excluding the piston rod volume. Operating at just 80 revolutions per minute, the engine still delivers an incredible 600 horsepower. Its flywheel measures 18 feet in diameter and weighs 24 tons, while the 16-inch crankshaft alone weighs 12 tons. This colossal gas engine was one of 4 custom-built for the Royalston pumping station. 2 were scrapped over time. One resides at the Cool Spring Power Museum in Pennsylvania, and this surviving masterpiece continues to awe visitors every Labor Day weekend with its monumental scale and historic engineering brilliance. The stationary engine is a classic bronze oil engine widely used in the early 20th century. It features a single-cylinder, four-stroke design with a large flywheel that ensures smooth and steady operation. The engine is water-cooled and equipped with an external magneto-ignition system, typical of early stationary power units. Known for its reliability and simplicity, this engine was commonly used to drive farm machinery, pumps, and generators. Its robust cast-iron construction and visible valve mechanism reflect the engineering craftsmanship of the industrial era, making it a valuable piece of mechanical heritage. The Napier Lion engine, designed in 1917 and built in 1924, is one of the most remarkable aero engines of its era. This 12-cylinder engine, arranged in a unique broad aero W configuration, has a displacement of 24 liters, meaning each cylinder has about 2 liters of capacity. It features dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, and a shaft-driven valve gear system, advanced technology for its time. Originally developed for racing aircraft, especially those competing in the Schneider Trophy, the Lion also powered several racing cars and speed record machines. Producing between 450 and 900 horsepower, depending on the version, the Napier Lion was both powerful and compact, giving it a legendary reputation among engineers and pilots alike. Approximately 300 units were produced, many of which powered racing aircraft and record-breaking cars in the 1920s and 1930s. Today, only 32 of these engines are known to exist, and merely 3 remain in running condition. The deep, rhythmic roar of the Napier Lion's 24-liter displacement continues to captivate enthusiasts, serving as a living reminder of the golden age of mechanical innovation and the pursuit of speed. This stationary engine is an early 20th century single-cylinder hit-and-miss engine. Mounted on steel wheels for mobility, it powered farm and workshop machinery such as pumps, saws, and grinders. Its large flywheels ensured steady operation and efficient energy transmission. The Arctic Cat Thundercat turbo engine is a 3-cylinder, 2-stroke power plant with a displacement of around 1,000 cc, upgraded with a turbocharger to reach an incredible 516 horsepower. Originally producing about 180 horsepower, it achieves this massive gain through high boost pressure, racing or methanol fuel, and custom cooling and ignition systems. The exhaust is heat-wrapped to retain temperature and improve flow efficiency. This engine is commonly used in snowmobile drag racing, known for its aggressive screaming sound and outstanding power-to-weight ratio that rivals even high-performance cars and motorcycles. The Deutz MAH 516 is a classic single-cylinder diesel engine produced in Germany by Deutz Auto between 1926 and 1936. Known for its reliability and sturdy construction, this engine represents one of the early milestones in diesel technology. With a displacement of 1.8 liters, it delivers a power output of 10 horsepower, making it suitable for agricultural and industrial applications of its time. Weighing around 480 kilograms, the MAH 516 was designed to operate efficiently under demanding conditions. Its robust engineering and simple mechanical design made it a popular choice during the interwar period, reflecting German precision and innovation in early diesel engine manufacturing. This is an old Finnish 2-stroke inboard boat engine, originally built as a workshop project during lunch breaks. Despite its modest origin, the engine showcases excellent craftsmanship and mechanical simplicity. Powered by a 2-stroke cycle, it delivers reliable performance with minimal moving parts, making it easy to maintain and repair. The engine's compact size and durable construction made it ideal for small fishing or recreational boats on Finnish lakes. Today, it stands as a charming piece of maritime engineering history, representing the ingenuity and skill of Finnish craftsmen from a bygone era. This 2-cylinder stationary engine is equipped with an industrial water pump, designed for reliable and continuous operation. Built with durable materials, it efficiently drives the pump to deliver a steady water flow for various industrial and agricultural applications. The engine's twin-cylinder configuration ensures smooth performance and consistent torque output. Often used in factories, farms, and irrigation systems, this combination of a powerful stationary engine and robust water pump represents classic engineering that continues to demonstrate excellent functionality and mechanical charm even after many decades of use. The Western Minnesota Steam Threshers Reunion in Rolag, Minnesota, is a remarkable annual event that celebrates the golden age of steam and early industrial power. It brings to life the machines that once transformed agriculture, construction, and industry through steam, air, and internal combustion. Among its fascinating displays are fully restored locomotives, shovels, tractors, and engines that continue to operate more than a century after their creation. A centerpiece of the show is the steam locomotive number 353, a powerful reminder of early railroad history. This beautifully restored locomotive represents the peak of steam traction technology that once drove American progress. Equally impressive is the 96-year-old steam shovel, a giant of early excavation, demonstrating how massive mechanical power was harnessed through steam before the age of hydraulics. The Marion steam shovel, another highlight, showcases early mining and construction innovation, operated entirely by steam cylinders and gears. Other notable machines include the Otto engine, representing early gas engine innovation, the hit-and-miss engine, a slow-running stationary power source used in farms and workshops, and the ancient industrial air compressor, used to power early tools and machinery. The steam tractor and portable sawmill illustrate how steam was used on farms to power threshers, mills, and other agricultural machinery. The Ridgeway steam engine and saw exhibit demonstrates the integration of mechanical power with woodworking technology, efficiently cutting large timber using a belt-driven saw powered by a stationary steam engine.
That's right where it's at.
Altogether, the Western Minnesota Steam Threshers reunion offers a living museum of mechanical history. Each machine, lovingly restored and demonstrated, preserves the legacy of human ingenuity that shaped modern industry. It is not only a tribute to technological progress but also a celebration of the craftsmanship and dedication that keep these historic engines alive.